Police investigators are now zooming in on Brandon Murray's last phone call, among other leads, after he was murdered.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Police say they are following several leads into the murder of businessman and football administrator John Brandon Murray on Sunday afternoon. One of the leads suggests that the 48-year-old businessman may have fallen victim to a contract killing. Murray was shot dead on the compound of the Mayfield Hotel in St. Andrew. We are following several leads into the case. One of them is that it may have been a contract killing, as he was not robbed at the time of the attack, a detective close to the case said. Police said since the incident, they have received information that suggests Murray received a telephone call and went outside the hotel complex where he was staying to talk on the phone, and was attacked at that point. Cops said men traveling in a white Toyota Probox car drove up outside the complex and opened fire, hitting Murray several times. The men then sped away from the scene. The police were called to the location and Murray was found suffering from gunshot wounds. He was rushed to the Kingston Public Hospital where he was pronounced dead. Many Jamaicans have since reacted in shock to the news of the killing of the man who was integrally involved in the development of a critical aspect of the country's football program, the development of better quality fields at a number of locations.
Hey, you see all the security probably now want to move from the gate all in bed.
I call them and I know them not reaching. Because you know how long I call them? Coming here the first set of shot, I call them and I know them can't come.
Hold on. Mrs. them just kill a man up here. Right over. Yeah. No.
You can't question them.
But him just come here, say he must come from somewhere. Cool down. Yes, but he must be somewhere, otherwise from come here. He must come from somewhere, come here.
This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.